There's a fifth generation of connectivity. It lies in the midst of the people and the world around you. This is a dimension of limitless possibility. That's a check mark up ahead. Your next stop, the Verizon Zone. Portrait of a young woman taking a portrait of herself.
She's waiting for the light to be just right, caught in a space between shadow and logic.
If only she knew about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and nightography. Now you can take the perfect selfie, even in the darkest corners of your imagination.
I can hear you, you know.
Lesson learned in the Verizon Zone. Samsung just revealed its latest and most epic smartphone series, the Galaxy S23. These smartphones are out of this world when it comes to looks, performance, and what they can do when paired with Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband. For a limited time, you can get $800 off any Samsung Galaxy S23 series smartphone with select trade-in and qualified 5G unlimited plans. You'll also get a Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Tab S7 FE 5G on us. And if you pre-order your Galaxy S23 series phone from Verizon today, you get upgraded to the next storage tier for free. And that's not all. If you switch to Verizon today, you'll get an additional $200 Verizon gift card. Samsung's premier Galaxy S23 lineup comes in 3 familiar sizes: the Galaxy S23, the S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. But what will surprise you are the changes Samsung made under this brilliant adaptive display. It's not science fiction, it's nightography. Using advanced artificial intelligence, Samsung's new camera technology allows you to take crisp, vibrant photos in low light environments without worrying about holding the camera perfectly still. I also have to mention the new 200 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now you can zoom, crop, and share perfect photos without losing precious detail. Gaming also got a huge boost thanks to the most powerful processor yet, with a larger cooling system and adaptive gaming performance. In non-gamer geek terms, that translates to longer playing time and less lag when you play on Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband. For Verizon business and power users, the Galaxy S23 has even more cool features that may not be visible to the naked eye, including seamless Microsoft integration, instant collaboration with Google Meet, and defense-grade knock security to keep your files safe. And yes, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has everyone's favorite Galaxy S Pen hidden under the display. Last but not least, the Galaxy S23 series lets you personalize your phone using the One UI design platform. Tweak your colors, change themes, and add or subtract widgets to match your mood and lifestyle. I love being able to add motion to my lock screen so I can see Gabe in his lamb outfit every single day. Visit Verizon.com or your local Verizon store today to order your Samsung Galaxy S23.